Okay, Ray, here's a quick test of the caching issue after I've pushed it to live. So to start with, I will clear my cache like so, and I'm going to try a protected page to get the redirect cached in the system, or not. Now I have done this before, so I will say that the redirect, no, it's not too bad there. It does seem to be a little slow before the icon didn't come up, but that wasn't too bad. This is how it was before. So the map is not loading correctly. It's up in the corner here. So something going on there. I haven't got to the next bit. The next bit would have been to log in. Might as well try it now. And then try that Coral Bay page again. Okay, logged in. Okay, so seems you fixed the caching issue. There's some sort of minute text there. I can see Coral Bay perhaps. Taking a very long time to load. Okay, there we go. Starter Revolution's in. Instagram loading slowly in. Okay, so that's kind of where that's at the moment. So a couple of issues with the map, and I've covered this in the other screencast with the Instagram and the load order. So see the other video for that one. Okay, thanks Ray, cheers.